How to enable new Siri AI on your iPhone? First, open settings. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on VPN. Disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 27. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Language and Region. Now tap on Region. Here select UK or US as your region. After this go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Siri. Scroll down. Here tap on Language. Also here select English UK or US. After this go back. So tap on Turn on Siri. Tap Continue. After this you have joined waitlist. Now wait 1 or 2 days and Apple Intelligence will be enabled to your iPhone. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.